back to my channel. Today we are going to install blinds for our windows. As you can see, our place here is too bright. So you see, it's all that side is all glass, but we just put the curtains in it because we still want to have the view. So that's okay. But in this side, this is another whole window. So this part we are going to put a blind. So in summer, especially in summer, when you sit at the sofa, so you don't have the direct light on your eyes. So we will put wood blinds on this window. And also here is also another one in our kitchen, but this we will not put anything there, just let it open. So for cooking, it's more better to have more light. And I'm gonna show you the bedroom. This is our bedroom, and there is again the whole window from the ceiling to the floor. So for the meantime, we just put some curtains here. So this window here, we will also put the blinds over here. Yes, so I will be unboxing the box we ordered in shop. This box is we ordered it 1, 2, 3 Jaloezie. So I'm excited because this is a real wood blinds, so Jaloezies. And so let's start, guys. So here you go, guys. We will open this box. So it's very secured package, guys.
What's in it?
What's in it? It came from UK, right? It's a cleaner. A blind duster. We ordered it included. Huh?
So the blind duster cannot see.
So this is the first Jaloezie. So guys, this is our Jaloezie. So this is a real wood, and here are all the fittings. These are the fittings for the Jaloezie. So
there is a way to put it on the wall. There we have 2 brackets for that. 2 brackets on the wall. So if we put them on the wall, we shouldn't put them here, but better have them here inside. And the system is simple. You put it in, then we have to lift off the front like that. So you put them in and show it here. So if this is the wall, you put it in, and then this has to go like that. So again, you put it in, and then click it in. Click like that, and it's hanging. It should go all the way, of course, like that.
This wood is from Africa.
Abachi wood.
Habachi?
Abachi.
Abachi wood from Africa. So it's really nice.
Sure. We said we put it 66 each. And the white here is 92. Minus 66 is 26. So from each side is 13 centimeters. 13 centimeters.
So important is to prepare all your gears, your gadgets. So,
That's one.
Engineer Luke is very equipped.
You have to be equipped.
Yes.
For good reason. 2.5.
This is the size for the pre-bore.
2.5 because it
2.5
should be
millimeters.
smaller than the shaft of the screw.
All right. Okay.
Now we can prepare this for hanging, so we have to get out all the cords. So they will be side.
This is a stainless one, right?
Yeah, sure. That's what we wanted, right?
Very nice. The last part is the wood.
Oh, so the magnet. That's easy.
Oh wow.
You get smarter every day.
We will make a grand opening.
First we will pull this. Pull this.
Cool.
Now you go.
Okay. Oh, it's very nice.
So this is shut shades. If you want shut.
Wow.
See?
Good. Very nice. Can I try? Open it, close. Oh. It's a great job. So guys, another DIY from us. So there will be more coming, guys. So we're looking forward and very excited to share that with you. So the temporary curtain is
Gone.
the two important tools. This one, guy, is magnetic. So this part, the last part, is a magnetic to cover the metal above. So guys, when you wanna open this one, you have to position the blinds first. So like that. You can pull this down like this. Finally, after 100 years! Oh my God! So guys, thank you for watching my videos, and I hope to see you again on our next project. And I hope you learn also from us, because we are also learning of what we are doing. So to those who did not subscribe on my channel, please click subscribe and also the bell button as well to be notified on our next videos. Bye!